Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Did not trade my take profit accounts today. I wanted to give that a little break from the fundeds because I lost two trades, so I stopped trading on it. So instead, I'm focusing on my funded future evals again. One account is super close to passing, and then I got this back to break even, and then I reset this account. So, yeah, now they're all almost there, a third of the way to passing, and then this one is $1,000 away from passing. So, I'm gonna try my best not to fuck anything up. Took one trade. In the morning, it was super choppy. Like, yeah, these were good trades right here, buying at VWAP and all that. And this one too, bounce off VWAP, and then, but I wasn't on the charts for that long, but I should be. I think I should be. These moves are super clean. Like later on in the day, super low risk, super clean. So yeah, so the trade that I took though was this one, right here. We broke below VWAP, and yeah, I thought we were coming down here to sweep London lows, but we never did, which is kind of crazy. We were 10 points away, but we never came down here. So my original plan was to long right here because, Trump's speech was today. So that was my original plan, but, that never happened. So, yeah, I didn't do that, but instead I just played the shorts to down here. I really liked this entry, like a nice rejection off VWAP and, a really small stop. So I went in with like three cons. So, I was really confident, went in with three cons, and then, yeah, I got like 15, 16 points off of that little rejection. So, I was up to 1,200, so I was up 20 points, but then I let go of some. But yeah, why is this account so low? Because when I first started off in the day, I had my copy trader all messed up, so I was down some, and then I didn't trade that account, and then I traded a little bit after, scalped. So yeah, that one's up 197. It would have been passed low key, right? Oh, it would have been super close to passing. Yeah, it would have been super close to passing if I didn't mess that up. If I didn't mess up the copy trader, and I think even now, yeah, see, even now it's messed up. I don't know why it keeps resetting. But yeah, super close though. I'm going to take it slow tomorrow, of course, on a Friday. I don't like Fridays, but look at my options though, guys. My options are doing really well. I'm still down 300 on the account overall, but I'm in some good plays right now. So let's see. So yeah, my MD calls are up 10%. I forgot this company's name, MOS. I forgot what it was, but it was alerted in our group chat. So I got in that. That's up 10%. And my Unity's finally up, like not super in the red. I was down like 15, 20%. So that's up. So my account's back to 2,700 almost. Still down $310 from my stupid zero DTEs that I did. So and some other little plays like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and then there was another one that I took that all went bad because I had puts, I think, and the market just rallied the next day. So that was all bad. And then my fill on NVIDIA, oh yeah, it's canceled. But I was gonna get an NVIDIA this morning. When I was looking at it, the contracts were 370, and I wanted a 365 fill. So I was looking at $5, and then it went up like an insane amount today. So that was fucking bullshit. Yeah, it went up fucking $3 today. I'm so mad at myself. I was looking at these 144s. Yeah, it's not even on the list anymore because it's so fucking high. I was looking at 144s for Jan 31st. It's 515. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. When I was looking at it, this was 370, 373. So yeah, that could have been up 30% right there. So that's nice. So yeah. But yeah, that's going well. Just doing good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else to talk about really. Took one trade. You know, it was a really bad day for the simple market metrics because it's too ranging. It doesn't do well on rangy days. But so I just resorted to you know, buying off VWAP and selling and shit like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll put a video out tomorrow if I do trade. There's a good chance that I might not, because I started this account like super not recently. I think it's been like 10 days since I started this one. So I still have like a month left to make 1,000, and I still have a lot of time to make 2,000 on these. So I might take it easy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.